Hello traders, Tyler Schneider here, founder of Option Trading Coach and Options Trader Club, and today's Thursday, November 10th. As you can see right here on my platform, the market is very mixed, and it's been a very interesting last couple days to say the least after this new election result. And as you can see right here, the S&P futures are basically flat. They were up a lot more earlier. It's about an hour into the trading day. NASDAQ is down 50 points, and the Dow and the S&Ps are holding steady. Really, the Dow and the Russell 2000, which is a lot of financial companies, are doing really well. So all I need to tell you is that we're having tremendous success in the Options Trader Club. I want to actually show you. You can see some recent trades here that were closed out. This trade made about 4,000 today. I had 2 filled orders so far this morning, and I keep track of all of my trades for my members through a very detailed spreadsheet. And one of the trades that I put on actually about a week ago that I felt really good about heading into this election, especially if Trump was going to win, was putting on a bearish put diagonal spread on the EWW, which is a Mexican ETF. And I just closed this trade out this morning. It's this one right here, where you can see the filled order selling 17 EWW for a 216 credit. This is a genuine fill. I just broadcasted it out to my members. Matter of fact, since we're chatting here real fast, this is actually what it looks like when you become a member, is you get these text alerts. So today, about 45 minutes ago, closing trade alert, EWW, sell to close for a net credit of 216. This was an 83% gain in 1 week. And I keep track of these trades. This is really what I love to do, and I love creating successful opportunities for people like yourself to follow and members. But this is what the track record has been so far. It's been a very strong winning streak we've been on. The trades are always going to be out there. I'm finding more and more every day. The market's very active right now. There's a tremendous amount of opportunity selling premium. One thing that I talk a lot about is the VIX, and we had a huge spike up preceding days. Let's look at a little shorter term chart. So a 90-day, 2-hour chart, we had the VIX basically go up 80% heading into the election right here. And then it collapsed. And I think it's going right back up because we're heading into a very uncertain time. People are scared. They're going to be buying bonds, selling stocks, and who knows what could happen when policy changes start to take effect. There's going to be a lot of pockets of strength, whether you're buying companies like Cleveland Cliffs, for example, natural resources company, large coal producer. Things are going to be creating new trends, new opportunities, and new areas of focus to start putting your capital to work. And there's so many examples, so little time. All I can tell you is that I have a lot of things on deck for new trade opportunities as we head into the end of 2016 and in the next several years beyond, and how to trade under a Trump presidency. You know, that's going to change a lot of dynamics. Just to show you that EWW trade that I put on last week, this is what happened. I put it on right around here when the stock was, or the ETF was right around 49.50. Gapped up a little bit after the positive FBI news heading into the election, and then it just came right back down. So this is a trade that was strategically placed so that it could profit on a support bounce, so around 46 to 47, which we're right around that today. Perfect opportunity to close it out for a very nice gain, which is exactly what we had right here. On the spreadsheet, EWW was put on November 3rd at $1.15 per lot, because when you put on a trade like this, it's a married trade where you're buying and selling simultaneously, like a packaged asset. And you buy this for $1.15, which equates to about a $2,000 trade. And then today, 7 days later, you can see that it resulted in a $1,630 profit after an $85 commission, because I trade a lot of contracts on that, which resulted in an 83.48% gain in 7 days. There's so many more like that. This is the one trade that I put on that's been a negative one on Facebook, which was an earnings trade, which was not even in the same context because it was more of a speculative play that I wanted to put on. But you can see the track record has been very good since I started my public track record inside the club. It's definitely yielding around a 70 to 75% win ratio over 100 trades back tested that are all transparent for here. And also on top of that, I'm having about a 1 to 2 week average hold time. So you never know what can happen. I am a tremendous supporter of leaps, which have been very effective tools for me to create very large profits and to help create this educational business known as Option Trading Coach and now the Options Trader Club. But the most important thing right now is to really get you ready. To get you ready with the proper education, the proper tools, and the proper technology so that you can facilitate new ideas, manage risk, and really put your capital to work in a very effective way. And you're going to be able to do that with my oversight, with my help, because I've been doing this for over 15 years and I understand how the markets work. I understand the intricacies with options, and there's so much that you can learn as we head into this very exciting time. So just to close this video out, I'm going to be having a series of upcoming webinars, trading Trump webinars. All these webinars webinars that are going to be able to teach you different facets of investing and trading, whether it's short-term, mid-term, long-term, aggressive, conservative, middle of the road. It doesn't matter. I'm going to be able to fit your tolerance with what you want to do and really create a plan of action so that you can get involved. Last, this VIX situation. This is what is going to be driving very profitable trading opportunities because volatility is rising, opportunity is increasing, and as option traders, we are going to be able to sell a very large amount of premium to produce weekly and monthly semi-passive income. And this is going to be happening for years to come. So now is the best time for you to get involved. Head over to optiontradingcoach.com, sign up for a free newsletter, get involved in the Options Trader Club, and I want to see you succeed with this because that's what it's all about. It's about, honestly, and if you don't agree with this, about making America great again, make yourself great by being able to put your capital to work and have robust financial returns in a rising equity curve. So that's it for today. I will see you on the next video. Thanks so much for stopping by, and we'll be in touch.